Okay, so let's start the discussion. So previously we started with the most important topic. What is it? Typecasting. What is the use of typecasting? Converting one type of possible value into another type of value is called typecasting. So fundamentally, we have 5 typecasting techniques are available. What is the first one? Int of, float of, bool of, complex of, str of. So first we'll go for what today? Int of, I will go for it. So let's start discussing about int of. So don't take much time. So understand this. Once you understand this first one, second and third and all those things are dead easy. So here I'm going to talk about concept and then syntax followed by examples. So in this place, what is the use of this int function? The int function is used for converting converting one type of possible value or one possible type of values. Some instead of one, I can write some type of possible values, some type of possible values into which type? Into type value. That is what the function will do, int of. What is the syntax here? You just observe it. Variable name is equal to int of. Variable name is equal to int of. I am saying that. What is that? Yesterday, some small introduction I said. Float value I am converting. Bool value I am converting. Complex value I am converting. str value I am converting. So I will take the values as what? Float. Come on now. Bool. Next is what? Complex str. This is what is our data. Float of, and next is bool and complex and then str. There I am going to talk about it. So here, when you come late, sit in the backside only. Why? Because when you are going on, coming, all of them did not listen the class. They are looking at you. Don't take the distracting of every student. When you come late, sit there only. Okay, na? Don't try to take distraction of everything. Because they won't see good. They will see what? Latecomers they will see. Okay, student? When you come late, sit backside only. Now, coming to this point here, so there I would like to go for example number 1. So many examples will be covered. Example number 1. What is this example number 1? First point, what type I'm converting? Float to int. So I'm writing one simple format. What is this now? Float type into which type? Int type. I'll give the example. Similarly, first I will write the format, students, so that you'll get the clarity in the coding. So 2. Next I'm going to take it, what bool type I will take it. Bool type. I will take bool type. Bool type I will take it. Next I will take example 3. Yes. So I will take complex also here. Complex type I will take it. Complex type to int type. Next I will take what? str. Dear students, this is called example. str type to which type? Int type. But I don't want to go normally. I would like to give you much cases inside. Case number 1 I want to talk. Case number 1 I want to talk. Under that case number 2 is there, because these are all very important in coding. Case number 3, case number 4, case number 5. These many I want to talk. Right? Look at that. What are the cases? Say carefully. Now see, within the double quotes 1, 2, 3. What is this within the double quotes 1, 2, 3? Huh? Right. 12.34 within the double quotes. Huh? Okay. True within the double quotes. Okay. Now 2 plus 3j within the double quotes. Okay, Python within the double quotes. Right, all of you are wrong answers. You are all wrong. Yes, 100% wrong. This is called str int. What is this now? str int. Everything str is enjoying the class. str int. The int data enclosed within double quotes is called what? str int. Now tell me. Good. str float. Be careful. Next. Good. str bool. What is this now? Very good. str. Good. What is this now? Huh? What is this now? str int. What is this now? What is this now? What is it? What is this now? That is wrong. Are you not feeling that it is wrong? You will not feel anything wrong. You will feel everything correct. That is you are a student. That's why you are a student. This is called pure str. Spell out. Yes. You will feel everything correct. Whatever you do, that you will feel correct only. But I know you look at with my eyes, you will see what you are. Correct. So what is this now? Pure str. So that I am going to write. What is this now, students? str int. str int into what? Int. Next what? str float into what? st. Hmm. str float into where? Int. Int. Next. Hmm. str bool into where? Good. Next. str complex into what? Int. Next. Pure str into where? Yes. Pure str into int. Come in. So all girls coming late today. Boys are sincere. Girls also sincere, but coming late today. I don't know what is the reason. Maybe buses are late these days. These late buses are coming very late. Boys are on time. Good students. Right. At this point of time. Next who will come, I don't know. Okay. Start. Float type to what type? Int type. Now I will start the coding. Let us go to the same style. Go to your Python command prompt. Python command prompt you go. Now you know how to go to that and everything. Now start with coding now. A is equal to what now? 10. Print of what now? A comma what? Type of A. Type of A. Class type is what? Int. Now I'm converting into which type? Float type. Float type. This is called which type? Int type. Int type to converting into int type is no meaning. By default int only. You can convert, you may have a doubt. Can I convert int into int? No problem. Int into int is called always possible. Now if you want, how do you write it? What is my syntax? Variable name is equal to int of float actually, bool actually, complex actually, str. But I am writing one more extra called what? Int. But not necessary. B is equal to what? Int of A. So print of what next? B comma. B comma is B. So same as int only. Nothing taste in that. It is going to be trivially converted. Okay, that's not an issue. The issue starts from here. 12.34. What is the type of A, students? Float. Now I am converting into which type? In this case, it will take the value 12 and kept into the variable called B. So can keep the value B comma type of B. What is an output? 12 is an answer. 12 is an answer. Are you following me? Yes. Now I will go to my example and I'll paste it. Is it possible or not possible? Come on. Possible. Possible. This is my given data of int. Conversion is done here. Are you observing this? In place of float, I passed a float value or not? Yes, done here and got the example. Understood now? Bool type to which type? Int type. Now I'm going to bool type to int type. A is equal to what? True. Print of A. Which type it is? bool. Now I am going to say B is equal to what? Int of A. Int of A. Possible or not possible? Come on. What is the value of B? 1. Beautiful. Good. Beautiful. 1. Internally what? Value of true is what? 1. Converted into what? Bool type. Into bool type to int type. Possible or not possible? Possible. Possible. So, students in online, be active. Try to respond. So, here I am writing A is true. These are all called programmatic entries, most useful in the coding level. You have to remember it. In MCQs also, this is most useful. Done. Next, coming to where? Complex type. So, which type? Int type. Be careful. A is equal to 2 plus 3j. Print of A, complex. Now, this is generally options I am giving 2, options I am giving 3, options I am giving 2.0 and then what? 3.0. Option D is called not, option D is called what? Error. Answer. Options please. A, B, C, D. Good. Raise hands. Good. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Next. Option. Good. Good. After long time, you people are saying correct. Raise hands. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Next. Others. మనమంతా ఈ category. So the answer is what? Here not possible to convert. This is not possible to convert. Error, I don't rate it because you are slowly coming to that. That's why I'm saying name error, syntax error, attribute error. You know, na? Today, this type of complex number, I'm telling the reason why it is not possible. Why it is not possible, I'm going to say. 2 plus 3j is the numbers, digits are there connected with one special symbol called j. This is completely treated as what? Not a normal number format. It is called what? Combination of digits with alphabets, which is treated as what? Combination of numbers with alphabets is not possible to convert into numbers. Simple. A123, J235, Z. Is it possible to convert into number? Because it is numbers are there, but connected with alphabets are not. This is also looking like that only. This is not possible. Whose error name is called type error. What error, guys? So that you don't worry about that error. Within very shortly, within 1 or 2 classes, you will get clarity about type error, value error is there. It is not at all possible to convert. Not at all possible to convert complex number into int type. Not at all possible to convert. See, read out that type error. This is int argument is not possible to take what? Complex. You don't worry about this entire thing. You please remember this error called what? So, type error. So, I'm going to take up. Type error means in a simple life, I will tell you in a normal life. Instead of coming to Naresh IT, you are going to some XYZ IT institute you are going. On the way you are coming, instead of coming to this door, you are going to another door, which is known as what? Type error. You are coming to this Naresh IT only. Instead of coming to Python class, you are going to Java class. That is called a value error. You don't tell this example in interviews. I'll give you that some clarity here. Are you able to follow? Go to the place. Here I am writing. This is not possible. Do you understand the reason, students? So it is a combination of what? Numbers with alphabets. Numbers with what? That's why not possible to convert it. Not possible to convert it. Just I mentioned the error name. Come to next what? Case number 1. Very, very useful concept. Very useful, students. There also I am writing. This is a special case. I am going to take it. Case 1, case 2, case 3, etc. Here I am going to getting into this place. Case 1 I am going to talk. There I will go to like this. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to give you print of what now? A comma type of A. What is this now? My requirement today is I want to add one number 2 to 1, 2, 3. A is equal to A plus 2. I am saying. What is the value of A? 1, 2, 3 plus 2. What is the value of A now? 1, 2, 1, 2. Option A 125, 125. Option B 123, 2. Option C is called what? 123, 123 plus 2. And option D is called what? Type error. Come on. Option B. Good. Who said B? Correct. Correct. Now you are thinking you will say something. One student is saying like that. He's saying like that. Covering. Come on, answer. Answer. See, good. Raise hands. Wrong answer, that is. Next. Option A. Good. Who is that? Wrong answer. Next. Very good. Who said? Please raise the hands. Please raise the hands. Wrong answer. Others. Danger students, they are called danger. So the answer is what? In other languages, it is possible. Java, it is possible, but in Python, it is not possible. That means a numerical value cannot be added to the string data, even though this str data is a numerical and it is not possible. Many students will think what? Numerics plus alphabets is going to be concatenation they will apply. In Python, it is an error. These are only coming in MCQs. You will choose option B directly. Why? Your answer is there. So see the answer now. What is that answer? Nobody will go to that. They will think that your answer is there. So 75% people will be filtered, went out. 25% is a competition for you. And if you work very hard on the practical grounds, you will get what error? Come on, read out. Read out. Can only concatenate str to str, but not with int. This is called practical knowledge, students. Now, I am going to write that time I want to add the data. That time what I will do? Int of what? A plus what? 2. Int of A. What is the value of A? Str int. Possible to convert into int. No problem. Plus 2 I am adding. What is the answer now? 125. So that time I need to convert str int into integer or not? So overall together, S is equal to 1, 2, 3. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. Print of this A is called str type. Now this is possible or not possible? Possible. So the int function looking for any double quotes with purely what? Digits. With purely digits like this only, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. like this only. This time only it will convert. Answer is what? Possible. Print of B comma what? Type of B. Answer is what? 123. Possible or not possible? Possible. Possible. So coming to the point of it. See students, you will feel if Sari is teaching too much of coding, if you get difficulty and if you feel that class is difficulty, that's a bad luck. If I teach only theory, you will be happy. In Amirpet only you are there for lifelong. You will become senior citizen. When I teach more coding, very soon you will enter into the industry because industry need theory in programming that you please realize, that you bring to the notice of the students. Every institute Python means they will teach theory only, except my class. You just observe everywhere. See the notebooks. That's what I'm saying. Daily see the notebooks. Be practical. So you have to practice and come. Then only you will follow. Only reading and if you come difficult for you. Okay, now because you are a beginner, now only you can change your career. Okay, students, this is my request for everybody. So don't feel difficulty when I'm teaching coding aspects. Feel much easy. How do you feel much easy? When you practice. If you don't practice and come, class is definitely difficulty. You will continue with me only 1 month. After that, you will discontinue. Why? I cannot catch the programming. That is why negative feeling will come. Programming means it is a devil. Programming is a dead easy once you practice and come. And without programming, you cannot enter into the industry. Understand, students? That's why my dear students, you follow my guidelines strictly. Next is what? str float into int. str float into int. Come on. A is equal to double quotes 12.34. Now print of what? A. str only converted into int. What I was explained? Anything is there within the double quotes like this only, it will convert into which type? Int type. But my data is what, ma? Some 12 point what? 34. It is called what? Only like this is there. It was converted into what? 12. This was possible, correct? But this is what today? str float. Trying to convert it into what? Int, which is not possible. Why? It is the digits connected with a special symbol called dot or not. That's why it is not possible to convert. Very sensitive point. Here possible to convert. Here this str float is not possible to convert. Which error will come? That is the wrong answer. Value error will come. C. Value error. This is called ultimate programming. In options, what is there? Type error is there, value error is there. You will select type error. But answer is what? Value error. How you know? Practicing. Full practice. Go to interview. 100 by 100. So value error. So invalid literal for this. This is called invalid integer literal. Possible or not possible? Why not possible, guys? There is a special symbol called a dot. Sir, you said 12.34, possible to 12. Yes, but this is what? Float. This is 12.34 within the double quotes to what? 12. Not possible to convert. Understand, ma? Yes. Will you forget this? No, these are very important. Done. I'll carry this. Online students, are you getting this? So say, what is this is now? Come on, first. Not possible. Please don't sit quiet and come. Please speak out. Please speak out in the class. Possible or not possible? Not possible. So which error is coming? Why this value error? In this case, it is possible. In this case, it is not possible. Sometimes possible to convert, sometimes not possible to convert. It is called what error? Value error. Completely not at all reading the notes. It is type error. Sometimes reading, sometimes not reading. That is called what? General meaning. Here, totally not possible to convert. Type error. Sometimes possible, sometimes not possible to convert. Yes. Just remember, finally, I will give you much conclusion on that. Very good clarity, you will get it. Well, students, come on to the point back. Next, I am going to wear str bool. str bool. Now, can you apply your small intelligence? Possible or not possible? Here it is possible. Here it is not possible. Here I am going to str bool to what? Int. Come on, slowly. True. Say A type. Okay. Possible or not possible? Come on. Good. Not possible. That is wrong answer. Because look at true is converted into what? 1. Which function? Int function. This is perfect. This is bool to int is possible. But here it is called what? True. True is going to be what? 1. Not possible. Sir, because this is called alphabets. When you write within the double quotes, TRUE within the double quotes, it is treated as what? Pure str. Pure str. Pure str means what? Not alphabets. This is treated as alphabetical string only. It is not treated as a bool string. That's why not possible. Got it, students? Well, see, students, what is this error? Value error. Did you understand the reasons? For everything, there is a reason, ma'am. That reasons you must catch it. Online students, are you following me? So what is this now? Not possible. So here, not possible. Now int of value error is coming. Well, go to next str complex. I hope you will answer me. You only answer it. Answer it. Possible or not possible? Good. Normal complex to int only not possible. How can the string complex possible to int? Also not possible. Which error? Which error? Hmm? Type error. Value error. Which error? Boys, girls. Okay. See that. Go to home. Value error. Whoever says the same answer, that is completely wrong. Even you say, if everybody answer the same answer very fastly, that is a 101% wrong answer. And you don't ask, sir, ask how many data types? 14 will say the correct answer, no, sir. Not that. Some intelligence questions. You said everybody type error, fixed you said, but it is called what? Value error. This type of things you have to remember. Okay. So why? It was possible in some times, it is not possible in other time. This is comes under what? Value error. That means internally, what type of int function has taken int to possible, float to possible, bool possible. Next is what they took it, str int they took it. These are only the values are taking. That time it is taken as what? Possible to convert. Int of what? There is no kind of mechanism called what? They did not written in the software itself. That is called what? Wrong typing. Wrong typing. Understand? Here what? Int of what? Int of what? str float. str bool. str bull, str, pure str, these are all not possible. They are there, but not possible to convert. That is known as what? Value error. This is not at all there in the software part. This is there, but not possible to. What is this? What is this? What is this? Result will come. Understand, ma? Yes. Now coming to this place, I'll post this now. Complex, not possible to do it. So don't take much time and try to get it. And this will take some. Come to what next? Pure str. Come on, say the answer. Not possible. Not possible. So I'll go to the place. S is equal to A is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Print of this A students. Now see this now. See that value error coming or not? Yes. Why? This is not at all possible to convert a numerical because these are the combination of what? Alphabets. Not possible to convert. Able to get it, students? Done. So here I'm going to write it. Python here, giving you what error? Value error. Value error is going to come. Are able to get me? This is about which conversion? Int of. Understood? Now, see, conclusion I am giving. What is this function name now? Which function? What are the options? Float, Boolean, complex, str int, str 1 minute ma. Str int, str float, str bool, str complex, pure str. Is it possible? Yes. Is it? Yes. Is it? No. Yes, sir. Is it? Yes, possible. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. These are all called. Like this, you must remember. At the end of the class, I will write all functions here. Big table, cross mark, tick mark, cross mark, tick mark. That is called programmatically must be perfect in what is possible to convert, what is not possible to convert. I'll ask directly in interview, is it possible to convert complex number into type? Not possible. Today you will say, but at the end of it, you will go to the interview, directly I'll ask the question. If you say possible, I'll type the code in front of you. I'll see the answer. You'll say, sir, 1 wicket gone. Like that, I'll ask 5 questions like that. 5 wickets out. And I'll say, will you qualify? No, sir, I have to revise, you will say, out. When you go to an interview, you also open the laptop in front of interviewer. Don't speak to anybody with orally. You speak to any person which is in the outside, you speak with your laptop. What you are speaking, you explain them through the system. So that is called reality of the subject. Correct or not? You will say something, interviewer will say something, and both of you will have friction between you. When you are answering, prove by yourself you are correct. If interviewer, don't think that interviewer is always correct. He may commit some mistakes also. How can you overcome that type of ambiguities? By going for opening your laptop and face the interview questions with your coding. That is my advice for you. To open the laptop in front of the interviewer, you must have a lot of coding standards or not. How do you get it? By practicing. Understood? Let's go. Next one. Is it understandable? So int of, I will upload. I'll save it. Go to this place. I will keep it int of. Done. Next, I will go for which one? Float of. So I'll go to the float of. Second one also same to same. Float of. Same format, ma. Same format. What I do is, I'll get this entire format as this. Examples I will remove because same format I want to maintain here also. I say, come on here, float of, come on fast, is used for converting some type of possible values into which type? Float type. What are the syntax, students? Variable name, say float of, float, int comma, good, int comma, bool comma, complex comma, str. Okay. I will write what type here? Int type. To which type? Yes, float type. Possible or not possible, we will see. Oh, no, no, don't tell like that. I don't want to write what you say. I want to test it. What type next? Bool type. To which type? Okay, float type. That also I want to test it. You don't believe any faculty. You don't believe any faculty. Students, I'm saying, you see their answer through the system. If you believe what they are explaining, you are a bad luck student. You believe any faculty, this is what I'm saying to you. Things are not good. You believe any faculty who says the answer on the screen with the programming. I'll say 101 things. If you go to the interview, 101 things will be jumping out. Problem for you. Any faculty says something, you ask immediately, sir, show the coding. If you are talented, I'll generate the barcode. I'll say that this, etc. I'll say, sir, don't tell all these things, show the code. Actions are important. Words are not important. Correct or not? That's why you like it, programming, you always move like that. First, you apply that strategy on my class only. First, you apply on me. Later, you apply on other classes. Don't try to listen the theory. This is what is my request to everybody. So, coming to that, complex type to which type? Float type, float type. So, coming to this place, here I am writing. So, out of that, now I'm going to say example number 4. Which type? str type to which type? Float type. Yes. So in that some subdivisions are coming, guys. What is that now? str into float. str what is this? str float into float. str float into float. I'll show you. And very recently one question was asked on that. I will explain. This is called what? Remove this example also, ma. Remove this example also. Remove this example also. So here, so for the sake of the notes, I am saying this. For your notes purpose, I am preparing this. str, pure str into complex str into what type now? Float type, float type. Possible or not possible, you don't take now itself. After seeing, you have to prepare. Into what type, ma? Float type. And say this and come out of that. Shall we start? So don't take much time. Let's move, everybody. But you try to apply my previous reasons now. 1, 2. What is the type of a? Int. I am saying, come on, float of a. A means which value? Possible or not possible? Perfectly possible. Because my sir already said any number is integer, which is a subset of what? 12.0. Every int value is a subset of what? Float. You understood that? Yes. Possible or not possible? Possible. Come on, ma. B comma type of B. Answer is what? 12.0. Possible or not possible? Possible. So this is called possible. I'll say possible. So I'll write the example. I'll write the example. Can you understand this adjustment now onwards? Is it necessary to do this adjustment? Left side, right side like that? Will you write the notes properly now? Okay, you already habituated. For this topic, I will do. Next topic onwards, I'll paste the example. I don't do the adjustment, okay? All of you. Next, go to which type? Bool type to float type. Okay, students. A is equal to what? True. Print of A, bool. Float of A, possible or not possible? Good. Answer. 1.0. They will give the options as 1, B as 1.0, now C as what? 2.0, and then C, D as a type error they will give. What is your answer? 1.0. So the answer is called what? Print of B, 1.0. A is equal to what? False. Print of A, float of B. Answer please. 0 or 0.0? Very good. 0.0. So I will just go for this up to here. Na? Yes. So here type of this data. So I will write it. Done. And answer is like this. 1.0. Got it. Okay, students. Go to what next? Complex type into float type. Easy, students. Now A is equal to 12. 2 plus what? 3J. 2 plus what? 3J. And if you really remember my answer, you can easily do it. Possible or not possible? Come on. Good. Raise the hands. Thinking. Correct answer. Correct. Why? The combination of what? Digits with a number, special symbol J. That's why not possible. Which error? Good. Good. Now, so raising the hand is really good. If Sar says wrong, nothing will happen. You are learning now. You are learning. You try to face that. So, done. Go to what now? str type into what? Int type. Be careful. Float. str int into float. See, students. A is equal to within the double quotes 2. 12. Sorry. Then done. Possible or not possible? Come on. Possible. Possible. See. 12. I am using what here? Float of 12, which is actually converted into what? 12.0. It is an automatically converted. Now, within the double quotes 12, it was already applied which mechanism? Int. It was converted into what? If I pass the 12, it is 12.0 came or not? Obviously, I can also do what? Float of 12. Float of 12 can be happily converted into what? 12.0. No problem. So, answer is what? Print of B 12.0. Because int is the subset of what? Float. That's why possible. Did you understand the reasons? Yes. Online students, are you convincing with the reasons? Online students? Good. Now move to the further. Now here like this. Now move to the str float into where? Float. Be careful. It is one special point I am saying. A is equal to 12.34. A is equal to, because I am using the same. A is equal to print of what? A. Float type. str float, that is. Possible or not possible? Come on. Huh? Okay. It is possible. Because, dear students, what is this is called? str int. Passing to which type? Int. It is converted into what? 12 happily. Similarly, when you take any digits with separated with a dot, when I apply which function? Float function. The float function will verify digits with one dot. Digits with one dot is possible to convert into float. Digits with one dot is possible to convert into float. Digits with multiple dots, not possible to convert into float. C. Done. Print of what? B. 12.34. Recently, A is equal to 198.168.186 something 0.1 they written. This is called IP address center actually. IP address in our internet networking and all. They are trying to convert into what type? A. Converted into which type? How many dots? 3, 4 dots are there. Possible? Huh? Float function look for any number with one dot. Any number without dots converted to what? Float. The number with multiple dots not possible to convert. Which error? Value error. Value error. Are you following? Could not convert what? String to float. Understand, students? This is an important. This one is asked recently. So coming to the point back, here the answer is what? What is this? Possible. In that I am giving multiple things. So this is the data. This is the data having like this. And so here I'm taking special example. This is another value. This is giving you what? Same. So don't think that that is a float data. Is it a float data, students? No, it is not float data. It is called what? IP address. Multiple dotted data is called string data. Purely that will be taken it. Did you understand? Well, go to next what? str bool into what? Float. Possible or not possible? Come on. Not possible. Actually, you see here true, false, possible. But now I am taking what, ma? A is equal to what? True. A is equal to true. Now I am writing what? Print of A. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Why? TRUE are called written enclosing within the double quotes. These are treated as alphabets only, but not treated as a normal bool. That's why not possible. What error? Value error. Good. So, come to the point of it. Not possible. Not possible. So, here I'm writing. There I'm writing the reason also. See, students, this is my data. This is my values here. Done. Are you following, students? Next is called what? str complex to float. Come on, answer. That's all. Boys in the back, please speak, my dear students. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Sit properly. So you are sitting like a Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna. You know, Lord Sri Krishna, how he will sit, how he will lie on the bed like this. You are Lord Sri Krishna. You are right. Pythonist, correct? Pythonist means what? Like a running mode. Always in running mode only. Okay? I'll ask some 6 questions at the end. Which mode you are in now, I want to see. Come to what now? str complex. A is equal to what? 2 plus 3j. Print of A. str. Possible or not possible? Come on. Not possible. This is the one done. So I will take up this value error. So this was already written. Huh? Okay. Value error. This is not possible. Done. So coming to this place, not possible. Got an error. Okay. Come to what next? Pure str into what? Float. Possible or not possible? S is equal to A is equal to Python I am saying. Python.java I am saying. Python.java. Is it possible to convert? Not possible. This is going to give you what? Value error. So I'm writing here. Not possible. So I'm saying like this. Done. This is the value like this. Float pointing here. Now I'm saying like this. Are you following me? Done. This is about which data type? Float data type. Come on, all of a sudden. Let's have the summary of that. What is my function name? Float of. What is the data? Int, bool, complex, str, int, str, float, str, bool, str, complex, pure str. Come on. Possible. Possible. Not possible. Possible. Possible with a single dot. Now, Boolean, not possible. Not possible. Not possible. With the int of, already might be you forget or not, I don't know. Come on. Possible. Possible. Not possible. Possible. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Are you remembering and saying or understanding and saying? Understanding and saying. Tomorrow I will answer. Okay. There is a lot of different remembering and saying, understanding and saying. Lot of difference. Buttifying and saying is also there. That is called your academic exams. That is called your practical records and how you wrote practical exams in your college. That is the buttifying and writing. You buttified the program in the entire night. Tomorrow morning, you are dumping on the answer sheet. Errors are coming. God knows how to solve the errors. Correct or not? Yes. So when error comes, we have to be the first person to debug that error. Correct or not? So who is first person getting the industry oriented jobs? Error fixing skills you need to learn. What error will come, how to fix the error. That's why I want to train you with errors. You ask any Python student, if they say something, error, they will say. Which error? You have to tell the error name. When the patient go to the doctor, what he will say? Tablet he will give. What is the tablets? A tablet or name of the tablet? Error means what? Type of error. Name of the error you need to know. That is called solving the problems. Understand, students? Lot of error names I'll say. You show me any line, I will tell you which error also will come. When it will come, I will tell you. That gives you much industry experience for you. That's why, students, let's start with the another topic. What is the next one? Bull. I will go for bull. I will take up. Students, online students, take care. Now I will go to the bull. Okay, you went to Python. It went to Python all of a sudden. So new, I say like this, done. Go to the place, ma, all of you. Third one is bull. It's quite interesting. Majority of the questions will come from here only. And quite interesting, you will answer wrong also. Whatever you answer up to 5-10 minutes, completely wrong. Want to test it? Okay, test it. Now I will go to what? Bool is used for converting some type of possible values into which type? Bool type. What is the syntax? Tell me. You only tell me. Bool of int, float, good, complex, str. Now I will write it int type to which type? Very good. Next, possible or not possible, we'll take care. And I will remove this pattern. Next is called what type? Float type. Float type to which type? Bool type. Bool type. I'll take care. I hope in the previously I forget to write possible. This is possible or not? Possible. Here also what ma? I did not write earlier. Not possible. And okay, here I wrote it. That's possible. Okay, that I will save it also. Right. Come to this place now. Okay, this is a bull type. Complex type to which type? Bull type. Okay, that I will remove it. Next, I will go for what? str type into which type? Bull type. str into what? Bull type. Bull type. Possible or not possible, I'll take care. And case 2, str float to what type? Bull type. I'll take care. I'll remove this. Now, str bull to what? Bull. str bull to bull. So here str bull to bull. I'll take care and I'll remove. Next is str complex to bull type. So it is called what, possible or not possible you need to take. str pure str to what here? Again bull. So I'll write it. Starter? Yes. I'll give you one hint, student, for you. Hint I will give you. With capital letters I will write it. And I'm helping you indirectly. All non-zero values are treated as all non-zero values. In the bracket, I will write length greater than 0 or I will write it length greater than 0 are treated as what? True. All zero values with length is equal to what? 0 are treated as what? False. False. Beautiful. Start. Start up. All of you read once. All non-zero values are length greater than 0 are treated as true. All 0 values are length is equal to 0 are treated as false. Start. Go. A is equal to 0. No. A is equal to 0. Print of A. Print of A. Comma type of A. Which type? Int type. B is equal to bool of A. Possible or not possible? Possible. Possible or not possible? Possible. Print of B. What is the value? Hmm? One girl is saying true. Really correct answer that is. Who said true? Wrong answer. అట్లా చెప్తే కానీ మరి రేజ్ చేయరు కదా. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ మీన్ దే విల్ రైజ్ ఇట్. అదర్వైజ్ దే డోంట్ రైజ్ ఇట్. వెన్ యూ సే ఫాల్స్ విల్ యూ రైజ్ ఇట్? నో. Correct means I am only sorry. You'll say. That time I will catch you. Who is that? Okay. So, what is an answer? చెప్పాను కదా మాట. I said already all 0 values are treated as false. What is the value of A? 0. What is the 0 converted to? Bool. What is an answer? I said internally false is treated as what? 0. 0 is treated as what? That's all. False. Okay. Confident? Can I ask one question? A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Possible or not possible? What is the value of B? Come on. Sure. Okay. A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Print of A. What is the value of A? Come on. True. Good. Why true? Non-zero. Non-zero. True, true, true. 0. What is that? False. Understood? Yes. Good. So possible or not possible? Possible. Be careful. Now I'm not adjusting, students. I'm not adjusting. You will write down. This triple greater than symbols are called statements. Without symbols is called what? Outputs. You will do that now? Okay. So if I do that, it takes more time. Okay. Go to which type now? Float type. Be ready. Be ready. A is equal to 12.34. Print of A. Which type, students? Float. Come on. Possible or not possible? Be careful. Possible or not possible? What is an answer? Good. Good, students. A is equal to 0.0000000001. Without throwing the ball, you are getting stump out. Come on, answer. Print of what? A. Come on. False or true? Of course, it is easy. False. Correct. Good. Who said that false? Raise the hands. Correct. Correct. Okay, girls. When you don't raise the hand when something is there in the mind, that is called wrong answer. True or false? False, huh? False. Wrong answer. False is wrong because my sir said already 0.001 is, you are thinking that 0.0, but my sir said already 1e minus 65. 1e minus 65 is called scientific notation. Scientific notation value definitely greater than 0. That's why it is called true. See how much subject you have to apply? Only coming to the Ameripet, taking a book in the hand and then sitting, attending all classes. A layman job that is. Layman job. Learning theory. That's why people are going out of order. See, answer is what? 1 is 73. And they say convert it. B. What is the answer? Generally, student is thinking what? 0.0001. It is called 0 only, they will think. 0 is called what? False. A is equal to 0.0. Now tell me, what is this now? This is called false. Understood, students? Right. I'll take up this everything. I'll paste it here. Possible or not possible? Very good. Possible. I'm not adjusting, students. Take care. And now, complex type to what type? Bold type. This is possible here. This is written here. Complex type to which type? Bull type. Hold on. A is equal to 2 plus 3.4j. Print of A. And possible or not possible? Not good. You are wrong answer. Possible. This is called 0 or non-zero? Non-zero. Maybe string letters, everything. 0 na, non-zero na? Non-zero. Non-zero means true. Non-zero means true. C, B. What is that? True. Understood? A, your knowledge is increasing. 0 plus what? 0j. 0 plus 0j. Print of A. Answer. True. Good. Who is that? Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Yes. So, my dear student, 0j. J is called what? Square root of -1. 0j means 0 into j. 0 into square root of -1 is equal to what? 0. Yes. Come on, B. False. That is the subject. Right. Go to the back. Now I am writing here like this. Possible or not possible? Possible. Answers like this. Done? Right. STR type to which type? Bull type. Be careful. Direct question. You will answer 100% wrong. Would you like to face it? Yeah. Who will face it? Who will face it? You. You. Stand up. Both of you stand up. So slowly standing, I understand. Like A is equal to 0. A. Bool of A. Possible or not? Don't hold the hand. Normal marks. Good. False. Both of you are wrong. But it is true only now. False adjacent true is there. Very good. Stand up. Good. Correct. Lengthy is one. Good. That is the reason. Nice. Keep it up. Sit down. See that. Possible. What is the answer? Everybody will think that it is false. But it is a single data. What is this now? What is this now? See. What is this now? Length greater than 0. That's perfect. So, answer is what? True. Regularly asking question. Easy or difficult? What is that? Correct. Rectified. What is this now? 0 means in the double quotes. What is that? STR. What is the alien of AA? 1 is what? Non-zero. Now I will ask a question. 0. Print of AA. Bool of B is this one. True. What is the answer? True. Why true? Alien of AA. 6 is greater than 0 is what? True. That is subject. Understand? Right. It is possible. So I write it. Okay. Here. Possible. Okay. Next one. Compulsory. You will answer wrong. Compulsory. So here. STR floating to bull. Get to answer. Who will face it? You. Okay. Stand up. You lost your chance now. It takes 24 hours to get it once again. A is equal to 1.2 minus 1.2. 1.2 minus 1.2. So, possible or not possible, first of all? Okay. But the answer? False. You are wrong. True. Why is thinking true? Why is thinking false? 1.2 minus 1.2 is thinking 0. But it is where double words. That is called what? 1. So that is the way. So actually when you stood in the chair, he has the confidence. But when you stand up, he forget. Correct now? No problem. That's why if you stand and answer in the class, you get lot of confidence facing interviews. Understand, students? When you stand in the chair, you will feel that you are a bodybuilder. But when you stand up now, you will lose some confidence. When you sit in front of you will lose some more confidence. When you sit in front of me, you will little fear what question you will ask unnecessarily. So I will start with what top level questions first. Next, middle question, not answering beginning initial question answering next below average, above average. I'll ask that question. If you don't answering, out. That is the trend in the interviews. That is the way the interviews will be conducted. Are you following me? Yes. Go to that. Possible or not possible? Possible. My main question I will ask. A is equal to 12.34. Sorry. A is equal to 12.34 within the double quotes. Print of this A. Bool of this A. True now false. True. Able to follow. A is equal to 0.0. A. Come on, answer. True. Getting students. Well. Go to this place. Possible. See. Wherever it is becoming possible, this also will carry. This also will carry students. Are you following? Be careful. Possible. Wherever else possible only. Be careful. Be careful. Now you are bull what? Bull. Who will answer? Who will face my question? Compulsory will answer wrong. Who will face it? You will face it. You will face it. Okay. Girls. Who will face it? మనకు లేదు అసలు. You will face it. No. Should be like Ronnie Rudramadevi. Right. Come on. Now. A is equal to what? False. A is equal to false. Bool of A. Possible. Answer. True. Sure. But Boolean is what? False. False convert to Boolean. True. False also true. True. False. Reason. Length. Reason is length. Good student. So answer like generally false asking convertible 100% student will take false only. But you have to see what? Yes. A is equal to simply what? False. A bold type. This time is what? False. What is the difference between here and here? It's length. This is length. Are you following? Very good. This is possible. Good student. Now. Done. Online students. Now next what? Yes, they are complex to what? Complex. A is equal to what? 0 plus 0 J. 0 plus 0 J. Bull. Come on. True or false? True. Why? Length. Good. A is equal to 2 plus 3J. 2 plus 3J. Now I am taking 2 plus 3J. Now print of that. Bull of that. True. Because bull length is greater than what? 0. So what is this now? Possible or not possible? Very nice. Good students. Go to next what? Pure STR. Be careful. Who will face now my question? Okay, good. Sit down. 33% reservation. Good. 33% reservation I will give. Boys, silence. Okay. Girls, no, girls time. A is equal to double quotes. Space. Double quotes and double quotes and print of A. Bool of A. Others should not concentrate on answer. Possible. I did not see you, Master. I'm asking the girl. Okay, next question I will ask you. So answer is what? Why? Space. How many spaces? 3 is what? 3 is what? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. Good. Following. Good. Now you answer it. A is equal to opening bracket, closing bracket, opening, closing. Now A. Now space is not there. When you are facing an interview, you should be serious. When you are facing an interview, you should be serious. When you are facing an interview, like that you say, it will be a problem. Your body language is important. When you are answering, sir, I forget, sir. I forget, sir, like that you try to answer, problems will come. Body language is important. Instead of seeing what answer you will give, what are you doing? Don't do that. So when you are seriously out to explain. Seriousness is important. Should not laugh in the interview point of view. Correct or not? So if you laugh, then you are a playful student. Playful. That's my advice. Come on. I will show you some positions. I have some pics are there. Interview HR people. What you are supposed to have some pics are there with you. How you need to sit in the chair. From that onwards, they will observe you. How you need to sit in the classroom. You are sitting in different way, but in my class you will sit in 90 degrees. Because I will observe if anybody is sitting in different way, I will say bus passenger, railway passenger, different passengers. So you need to sit very perfectly. Okay. So along with that you need this is like what ma. L and A is what? Zero. So our Basha. So I think it's a type error. No, it is a Basha error. It is. Okay. Shall we move forward and start following? Right. Why it is called L and A. So coming to the point back. So got it down. Right. So zero error is called what? Zero is coming to what? False. Did you understand? Well. Go to next term. Last final. A is equal to what now? Python. A is equal to Python. What is this now? Print of A. Come on now. So answer is what? True. So understand that. Yes, very important. So what did you understand here? Everything is possible. Everything is true, provided the given number is non-zero. Length is greater than zero. If the number is zero or length is zero, the bold type value is false. Length is zero, false. When the string value is written false, when the size of the string is zero, then the return type of bool is called what? False. Understood? This is about type, bold type. So coming to the conclusion area here. Conclusion area here. Bool off, integer, float, bool. So 1 minute complex. Yes, int. Yes, float. Yes, load. Yes, bool. Yes, complex. Pure STR. All of them are what? Non-zero and greater than zero. It is true. And then 0 and then what is equal to 0 that are called false. Very frequent loss. Important this is. Understood? Easy? Yes. Minute to minute you are increasing your confidence. Is class coming anything down? Demo sessions. First week, second week, third week. How this is going? Increasing. Coming down. Coming into the class. Increasing your knowledge. Good. Minute to minute are you observing? 6 times taking the pick and 8 o'clock taking the pick. Observing. Not observe. Observe. So practice and comes. So the skill will be like anything. Go to next. What is the next one? Complex. Now I will move to the complex. Very simple. Now I will move to the another area. Simple. Go to what? Next start. Fourth. What is it? Very good. Complex. Come on, read out. Complex is used for converting some type of possible values into complex type. Complex type value. Okay. Now say. Come on now. What is this now? Complex of int bool. This is called what? Float. Very good. What is bool and str. Int type which type? Complex type. So we'll see possible or not. Carefully we will observe it. So next I will also go for it. What is this remove? Which type now? Float type to float type to complex type. So complex type I will take it. Complex type. Next I will go to the another part of it. Complex type to complex type not necessary. What is this? Bool type to complex type. Complex type. So here I will remove this now. Not possible. Not possible we will remove and we will see. So similarly I will go for what? STR type into what? Complex. So remove this data. Next is called STR float to what? Complex. So see. So here I am going to use it. Next what? Students STR to what? Complex. So be careful. Here also you need to face very good questions. STR complex to what? Complex. I need to take care. Next I will go to what? Next. List this part. Next I am going to say what? Pure STR what? Complex. Well. Go to the examples quickly. Say immediately. Go to that. So I'm not revising one point. Actually, I want to revise one point, but I'm not revising. Maybe you might be very complex data type. Remember to forget. Remember to forget up. Your voice I can understand. So because I can understand what you are learning in 1 second. Are you remembering? So not confidently. Something is English. No. Somebody saying. Well. Print out what? Yeah. Now I am converting into what type? Complex type. Possible or not possible? Come on. Not possible. That is the wrong answer. Possible. Good. Now. Moreover, you have to say this is what int. When I was explaining a plus bj and a minus bj, internally this real part and imaginary parts are treated as what? Float. But data can be treated as 12. Integrated data can be treated as 12.0 also. 12.0 is but part of real only now. So this 12 is taken as what? 12 plus what? 0 a. That is the value possible. Complex type to int is not possible, but int type what? Why, sir? Because in complex real part plus imaginary part is there. Complex and imaginary real parts are internally floats, but int type can be taken into what? Float. So that float is taken as the real part plus 0j will become the complex number. Did you understand, students? So done. Print of what ma? B you printed. See that 12 plus 0j. Possible or not possible? Possible. So coming to this area, possible. So I say here what? Possible. Example done. Okay. Go to next what? Flow type. You tell me possible or not possible? Good. Possible. Why? Every float also can be treated as what? Complex. A is equal to 1.2. Print of A. Bool complex. Done. 1.2 plus what? 0j. Possible. Happy. Possible. So, but reverse is not possible. You know that. Which error we got it? Type error. Next what? Bool type to complex type. Be careful. A is equal to what? True. Print of A. Possible or not possible? Good. What is an answer? Good. 1 plus 0, j. Good. Suppose if I write a is equal to false. A is equal to false. Come on. 0 plus 0, j. That is a 0, j only. So I will take this also. Happy. So it is called what? Possible. Nice. Done. So out of that. Next I'm going to enter into where? str int into where? Complex. str int into complex. I'm entering. Be careful. A is equal to 12. Now, come on here. Possible or not possible? Come on. Possible or not possible? Possible. Because this was converted into which type? Int type. 12 came. This was converted into which type? Float. 12.0 came. Now I can convert it into what? Complex, because these values can be treated as a real part. Real plus what? Imaginary part. 12.12j plus what? 12 plus 0j will be taken. So print of this B. What is that? 12 plus 0j. Getting or not? Simple. So easy. It is possible. Possible here. So got the answer. Okay, students, go to the next term. str float to what? Tell me now. Possible. Possible. Go to this place. A is equal to double quotes 1.2, 1.2. Print of this A. Complex of that 1.2 plus 0j is what? Possible. Possible. So I'm writing this data. Done. Following students. str bool to what? Complex. Come on. A is equal to what? True. Be careful. A. Possible or not possible? Come on. Possible. Raise your hands. Not possible. Because this is called what? Alphabets. Alphabets. Alphabets are enclosed within double quotes. So it is treated as what? Pure string. Pure string. Not 0, 1 plus 0j. Bool is converted into that. This is not possible. You will get what? Type error. Malformed error will be coming. So read out value error. Complex ARG is a malformed string. Not possible to convert into this. It is called which error? Value error. So be careful. What is this? Not possible. Not possible. Why? Boolean value enclosed within double quotes treated as what? String data. String data. That's why it is not possible. Understood, students? Next, str complex into what? Complex. Come on. 1.2 plus 3.4j. Come on. 100% possible, because complex looks for a plus bj or a minus bj format it looks. Is it having that? Yes. So print of that, print of b, it is possible. Perfectly possible, students. So done. Able to follow? A is equal to double quotes 1.2 plus 3j plus 43 plus what? 4.5j. Come on. Possible or not possible? 1.2 plus 3.5 plus into float. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Float of 1.2 possible. Complex number will look for what? A plus bj or a minus bj format only, but it is containing more j's and more numbers within the double quote. See that now? Value error. Because this entire thing is treated as a combination of letters and numbers. It looks for 1j, a plus bj format only looks into. Otherwise, it is called what? Error. Got it or not? Yes, be careful, guys. Be careful. So it is called what now? Not possible. Not possible. Here I am writing it. So to write any, if you go to any intermediate, if you go to trigonometry, 6 ratios are important. Out of that, you can build a lot of applications on that. Correct? These things are like a building stones for you to enter into the high-end applications. If you don't know these conversions now, you can't do anything else. Main important. Directly student will do what? directly looking into the code only, what code they will understand? Correct or not? If you're directly looking into the previous year's exam papers, nothing will come. First, you have to complete the subject. Then you go for solving it. Correct or not? Student will do what directly code is looking. When you look at the code, nothing will come. You have to learn the concept behind that coding. This is a concept. Are you following? This is a concept. Understand? Concept should not be pages and pages. That is called theory. No practical proof. This is called a concept plus practical examples. So come to the point back. Here next, pure STR to what? Possible or not possible? Come on. Good. Not possible. Now I'll ask one typical question, students. Today you are answering very well. Now I'll ask one typical question. Python, I'm going to take it. Python, I'm going to take it. Yeah. Possible or not possible? Not possible. So I'm going to take up this. So not possible. What is the error? Yes. Now, perfect. Now I'm going to ask you one question. Ready to answer? A is equal to ln of Python. ln of Python. Now I'm going to say possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Possible. What is an answer? 6 plus. Okay, good. Now, knowledge is there. But if you remember the same thing for number of days, you will be. But unfortunately, you'll forget next week. You won't forget. You'll remember. Okay, today is what? Wednesday. Coming Wednesday, I will ask the same question. You will answer. Who will answer? Raise your hands. I will remember. Okay. Others, you don't come on the day. Huh? Okay. Definitely. I'll ask this. This I will carry. So here I will write it. Right, students? Now got the output. This is related to what, ma? Which conversion? Which conversion? Yes, have the outlines. What is this now, students? Complex of int, float, bool, str int, str float, str bool, str complex, pure str. Come on. Possible, 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 not possible, possible with one j, a plus bj. And what is this now? Not possible. The subject. Okay. Are you able to follow? Done. Last one is str of. That str of very easy. You will understand. So str of. So I say fifth one is called what, you know, students? Str of. So this function, I will write this here. Str of function is used for converting all types of values. All types of values into which type? STR type. Everything is possible to convert. STR into possible, STR float to float possible, STR complex to complex possible. So reverse also possible. Int into STR possible, float into STR possible, complex into STR possible, bool into STR also possible. Everything is possible. Syntax, please. Syntax. Variable name is equal to STR of int, float, bool. Beautiful. That's all. That's all. Possible. Example. That's all. So don't buttify theory. So go for like this. So here I will write it. Go there. A is equal to what? 12. A is equal to 12. Print of A. Which type, ma? Int. Now I am converting into what? STR of B. STR of B. Just print B. Print of B, comma, type of B. It is what? Before ball coming, is throwing. Wicket out. So A is called what? STR of what? A. So B you print it. B you print it. What is this now? 12. You say B within the single quote it is available. Here without and here with. Next, A is equal to 12.34. Print of A. float. str of that, it is done B within that single quotes. Int into str, float into str. Next, A is equal to what? True. Print of A, bool, str of that, B, B, bool. Bool into what? str. Next, A is equal to what? 2 plus 3j, 2 plus 2j, no problem. Sorry, 1 minute, one more time. A is equal to, like that, print of that A, print of that A, complex, str, print of that B, B you print it like this. Able to follow? This is about the concept of converting int type into float type into bool type into which type? str type. So except this here, rest of them are true. Possible. Are you able to follow, students? Yes, this is what is comes under typecasting functions. How many typecasting functions? 5. Do you know that 5? Yes. Can you repeat once? Int of, float of, bool of, complex of, str of. Good. Are you perfect in that? What error will come? How to do it? What is possible and not possible? Do you know? Yes. Will you remember for a long time? Yes. If you remember for a long time, programming is just left hand, left finger. If you don't remember, programming will become very complex. Very complex it is becoming. One small example, I will test it. Small example. A is equal to, S is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, like that. Now I want to add 6 and then 8. I want to add these numbers. I want to add these numbers. I want to add 6 and 8. I want to add these numbers. For that, you have to apply immediately 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. That time I will go for what? Index. What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then next like this 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one I am targeting? 2 and what? 5. What is this actually? How I will get it? A of 2 will give you what? 4 within the single quote. A of what? S of whatever it is. S of. S of what now? 5. It will give you what? 8 within the single quote. See, I will write it. You remember the diagram now? Print of what? S of what? 2, comma what? S of what? 5. It will give you what? 4 and 8. If you write it, students, S of 0 plus what? S of 5, 5, 5. This is called 2 and this is called what? 5. This will be concatenated because string plus string is called string 48. But I want to do what? Adding. Do what? Here I will do int of S of 2 plus int of S of 5. That is the subject. That is an answer. That is called intelligence. Understand, students? Like that you need to do it. Indexing, already explained now. Like that you need to capture it. Sometimes I will take it. I will give. These are all hacker ranking examples. Write a Python program, get the even numbers from the digits, get the odd numbers, add the even numbers, add the odd numbers, and give the result. Another example I'll tell you. From that string, arrange that list of digits, even digits in ascending order, odd digits in descending order. They are mind-blowing examples. So your brain will work like anything when you practice and come. Without practicing and come, stars can be seen. Of course, night you can see stars only. So you'll become very hard. Understand, students? So this type of example, all modern examples, sum of two numbers, so subtraction, these are all days gone. So you have to attend daily and you have to practice. Then only you can catch the real theme of the Python. Okay, now, so I'll stop my class and tomorrow class I will go for, look at my next concept is what you know, students. Bytes data type I will talk. Data types you will go. Sequence category data type you see. Which one I will go for? Tomorrow class I will start. Don't miss the class. Thank you. All the best.